Welcome back to my channel. This is Peculiar Skincare. Please, if you are passing by for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscription button below, thumbs up the notification bell so as to be notified each time there's an upload coming up from me. Okay, so to my returning subscribers, wow, you guys are awesome, you guys are lovely. Thank you guys, I appreciate each and every one of you. I might not know your name, but believe me, I love you guys from the depths of my heart. Okay, you guys are lovely. And for those passing by for the first time, hey, stop there. Hit on the subscription button. Okay, help your girl subscribe to my channel. Yeah, help me. Subscription is free. Oh, it's free. Just help me subscribe to my channel and we are good to go. Okay, and please share my videos to your loved ones. Share my videos, it's very necessary. Yeah, thank you so much guys. So in today's video we'll be making a tutorial on how to produce a 3 days whitening facial cleanser. Okay, this cleanser is effective. It's very effective. Believe me when I say it's effective. It clears hyperpigmentation. It clears sunburn. It dries off acne. Okay, it dries off pimples. Yeah, this, believe me when I say it works. It works in just 3 days. Yeah, I've been getting a lot of reviews from this cleanser. Okay, the cleanser is very active. Try it guys, try it. Watch the video till the end. Try this cleanser. Let's try this cleanser and come and give us your own reviews. Okay, I'll be waiting for your reviews. Okay, thank you guys. So let's get down to our working station. Okay, let's get. So guys, you are welcome to my workstation. Okay, this is my bowl. Okay, this is my spoon and this is my bowl. Okay, first ingredients I will be working with is my rose water. This is my whitening rose water. Okay, this is my whitening rose water, and the next one is my pigmento. Okay, this is pigmento's oil, and the next one is my dermalis cleanser. Please make sure you get the original dermalis. Okay, if you want to see the results, you understand, if you want to get the perfect result, make sure you get the original one. Okay, I'll be needing 3 tablespoons of my dermalis. And 3 tablespoons of my pigmentos. So we'll go on and stir it very well. Okay, and the last is my rose water. This is a whitening rose water. You can use ordinary rose water to dilute it. Okay, so I'll be needing 5 tablespoons of my rose water. So I'll go on and turn it very well. Okay, So guys, our whitening face cleanser is ready. Okay, so in case you want to produce this in a large quantity, you can use one of this rose water, okay, one bottle of this pigment doll, and one bottle of Damalis. Okay, so you can use it together, you understand, if you want it in a large quantity. Okay, so our face whitening cleanser is ready. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for staying to the end of this video. Please, if this video was really helpful to you, don't forget to hit up the subscription button, thumbs up the notification bell, okay, so as we notify each time there's an upload from Mob. And don't forget to turn the thumbs up button, okay. And lastly, if there is any question, if there is anything you would want to ask us, don't forget to drop it in a comment section below, for we will attend to all questions, okay. And if there is any video you would want us to do for you, just drop it in a comment section below and we will definitely produce it for you. So guys, thank you for watching. To all my subscribers, you guys are awesome. Yeah, you guys in my next video, okay. Bye.